What's going on, traders? How y'all doing? Had a little mix up again with this stupid streaming software. I don't know what's up, but it's all fixed now. I figured out the issue. Actually, I do know what's up. Streamlabs, but no more. I'm in a trade right now. I got in a little earlier and I kind of scaled in and here and there, but I did take a little profit here. Hang on one second. I took a little profit because, it's just, this is a funded account that I'm trying to collect. I'm up 75 bucks on this account so far. So anyway, how y'all doing? We doing good? Don't forget to hit that like button. Let's go ahead and get this Apex giveaway started. Frank DeVries, evening, John. Evening, Frank DeVries. I really hope that we hit our take profit down in here for a nice 300 or 400 bucks. With just three contracts, it's, let's see, one contract we'll make like 390 if we get all the way down here. I'm probably gonna scale in a little bit more as it comes down, but for now we're staying where we are. It's been a good day so far. Like button pushed. Me too. Oh, you're in this short trade too. Good, man. Glad to see people making some money with me here. I've been in the trade for like 15 minutes. It feels like since market open, so it's been kind of slow. We're up $100 across all our accounts right now, and that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shoot, I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 accounts total. Kids are getting a little fussy. Yes, shorting. Who else we have on here? Anyone? Any of my regulars? I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Stanley. Hi, Frank. I took a short and pared it down at the top, of course. Back to even now. Well, at least you're back to even. I have a feeling if you stay in the trade for quite some time, you might actually make a little money here. Frank, been working on what to trade, the trend, and when I mean reversion, any insight on this? Reversion? Like, like a reversal. So when you're in trends, man, like here, let me just shrink this down a little bit. You start seeing it kind of break down. See all these wicks? So you got to use good risk management when you're trading this stuff, but it's not impossible. So the market makes all these like motions like it's about to reverse for a little bit. You know, typically it's a 50-point move, give or take, 50 to 100, sometimes more. But you'll start seeing these wicks, and that's a good indication that we're going the opposite direction, right? So it does fake out like right here. So okay, let's say we took this trade here. This is not a perfect example, but let's say you did, for instance. You would have been in profit for a short period, right? Unless you took the trade right here, you would have been up for a short period for sure, but then it went against you. So the goal is to, you know, keep your stops, you know, 25, 50 bucks on micros and maybe $100, $200 on minis. So right here, you could take this trade to the upside and put your stop at the low, and you would have been all set for quite a while. The goal is to hold as long as possible, though. So I know sometimes that's kind of hard to do, but for me it is. I don't know about you. I still struggle with it. But I'm still in this trade. I'm practicing what I preach, so. I am going to go ahead and put this in the money just as like a break even, if you will. I don't feel like it's going to come up to there, but it could very well. We're up 50 bucks, so we'll make 25-ish if it fails, but I hope not. It's bouncing off the 9 EMA there. So I'm currently negative in this trade here, but I'm going to hang on to it a little longer. I'm only in 2 contracts. I do have to run to the store for my wife real quick, and I'm going to leave the stream running while the trade plays out. Hopefully it's still going when I get back. Kind of trying to wait and see what this does real quick. Did you guys get your Apex accounts? How long is the sale on? We have 2 days, 5 hours left of the 90% off. Make sure you get them. There's that code, JSDT. Now's the time to buy them, though. I'm about to buy like 20. How much are they right now? It's like 11 bucks. Apex gives me accounts for free, but I still want to buy them. Can't ever remember how much it is whenever the other says. I think it's like $11. $18. B. Collins, hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon to you too, sir. Stanley, I passed on Apex. That intra trade drawdown looks unbeatable. Frank DeVries, hey Stanley, hoping to pull back to 480 for a good profit. Yeah, hopefully. Ben VDM 95, I would go long, just made higher low to fill wick to the upside. Well, I have my stop here. If it does go higher, then I mean, you could say this is a higher low, but technically it's a lower low. See it, the candle body close below the candle bodies here. Just my opinion, if that counts. But I don't like this green candle for sure. Hopefully we get a good rejection. We have 9 seconds left of this candle. Make sure y'all hit that like button so we can do another Apex giveaway. I need 50 likes to give the account away. All right, we got stopped out. I'm gonna leave my other trade on here. We're still at $39 total on each account. It's not terrible. I do feel like over time though we will kind of feel this huge gap here. I still like shorts. Tom, how you doing? The channel's growing. Good job, John. Thank you, sir. Good job to you too, man. You keep showing up every day. Y'all keep liking the videos, helping the algorithm, commenting, talking. That all helps. So good job to you guys too. It's not just about me. But I do appreciate the kind words. I'll be right back. I have to run and grab something for my wife. I'm going to leave this trade up, and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. What's up, guys? I'm back. Looks like it went horribly against me. But if it goes above all this and doesn't wick out, then I'm out. I'll de-risk or just close the trade. Stanley, all the algos are long. Glad I got even. Sat out for a minute. I should have done the same. So far, we're pretty much break even right now. I'm hoping for a, this is the highs currently, body highs. Hoping for another rush down at this point. So we'll see what happens. But if we lose the trade, no big deal. We're up like $40 across all our accounts, except for this one. Are we having any issues on the stream? Anyone seeing any lagging? I'm getting an error. It says more than one ingestion is using the primary URL. Send one stream to the primary URL and one stream to the backup URL. Let's see. Just picked up 5 Apex 50K using your code. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. See if we can get some rejection here. We really need to. Quality looks pretty bad, don't it? What is up? Level up. Do you trade New York session? I do. How about you? Do you trade New York? Guys, I may stop this stream and start another one. Because something's going on. I don't understand what. Maybe that fixed it. Awesome, it did. It did. Cool. Yes, just London and New York because I got burned too many times in Asia session. Yeah, I get burned all the time, man. Look at this quick reversal. Everything's long. I hate going long at the top, man, and just... I love it when we have a huge sell-off, like way down, and then I can just go long for days. I'm a natural bull, right? So most of my long trades typically work out, but I can't go long up here. I just can't. And I was trading up here with this account, and when it started retracing, I waited for the retrace because it's kind of losing momentum, right? And then I shorted, and then we came all the way down here, made $74. Should have scaled in more, but if I would have been able to close the day on this account. So anyway, no big deal. I'm looking for another short position, and see what we get. thirsty. Well, now it's good for a short. Yeah. I'm going to be a little more patient than that and see if I can get something, but I think you're right. At the top of the wick, currently, right here, I'll put a sell in it. Put one on top step 2. When you said it was creating a lower low, it wasn't really a huge low. I mean, a lower high. To me, it wasn't because of the candle body. I mean, it looked like a new low to me, but you know, I'm not always right. I told it it's gonna fill the wick. Mostly wick fills over gap fills. That is typically true on Sunday open. That's why I want to be patient and let it do its thing, and then play the reversal. But we got to see some breakdown first. And when I say breakdown, I'm looking for this right here. You know what I mean? A reversal. Excuse me. Jeez. Reversal. Reversal. More wicks. More wicks. I saw it as a higher low because it didn't close under the wick. I see what you're saying. I mostly go by candle bodies, but I do understand wicks could be considered the same because price was at that point. You know what I mean? If we were in a line chart, it did technically kind of a double bottom to me, honestly. Got a little double bottom to go up. Now I just need to see another push to the upside here, and we might short it. If it sweeps highs with the wick and forms a bullish fair value gap, then inverse the fair value gap. That would be my entry for shorts. So far I'm liking this wick, but I want to wait for the next candle. We are on the 5-minute chart, so this could be about 15 minutes before we actually get into another trade. Unless it starts doing something stupid like this right here. I do want to see a little bit more to the upside before we jump in. So I'm going to sit on my hands and wait. Don't forget, we are doing a giveaway at 50 likes. So if you're just chilling, browsing, hit that like button. If you decide not to stay, no biggie. Someone else will win, and we'll actually do the giveaway. So hit that like. Thanks, everyone. Now it's good for short. Retrace 50% of the wick. Level up trading skills. What time frame? Yo, Cave, are you still here? So we got a doji indecision. So let's just wait it out. See if we can retrace this wick. Patience is key. Patience is key. Need my background image on this one too. All right, now I'm liking this short, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Get rid of this sell limit here. Scale in as needed. Let me find my other chart here. My stop is at the top of that wick, 23,549. It could go up though to finish filling this, but I don't know that it will. Beacons, I mainly look on the 2-minute chart for that setup. I'm looking for it to get to VWAP, and then I'm probably going to take my 5 or 10 points here. Free trade. I don't like its momentum though. Really want to see it push a little more. Trying to see what you guys hear all the time. There's a lot of noise in my house. Got kids, you know. My wife fidgeting in the kitchen. I took over the dining room here, so. Why is the quality only allowing for 360p? This is just jank. Looks good over here on my OBS, but it doesn't look good over there. Oh, I see what happened here. 60. All right, we should have better quality now. And we do. I had to take the stream offline for a minute though. All right, pull back here. Hopefully it don't hit it. All right, we're stopped out here. Find the time to jump back in. Still in the trade over here though. I'm focused on here because I want to copy trade all these accounts. These are funded, mixture of funded. I'm copy trading all my accounts right now. Trying to figure out if this is trying to make a higher low to go further up. And I'm glad I got out. Look at that. But it could on the next candle just start jumping, rushing down. And it could wick. I think overall though, my longer term bias is short. So I'm hoping to get all these accounts to the $200 mark before the night's over. That's like 15 accounts times. That's 3,000. Roy Evans, that's one hell of a gap to fill short side. Yeah, I agree. When will it go though? I'm kind of sitting on my hands at the moment. See what this candle or the next candle does. That's a big juicy bar. Hecos Darius Convalor just subscribed. Welcome to the channel, sir. Thank you for your subscription and support. God bless. See, what I was afraid of was this going to be a higher low here, kind of like what he said over here was a higher low. We have our double bottom here, and then kind of pushing up for now. I might wait until we reach the wick. Although we did make a little money here. I think it was like 10, 15 bucks, but wasn't a bad trade, you know. I think we got like 5 points with 1 or 2 contracts. All right, we're out of the trade over here on Top Step 2. We're down $64. Wish I could copy trade all my accounts together. That would be nice. Normally when I see that this is becoming a higher low, I would have jumped in, but I can't trade the highs, man. I just, in my head, I can't do it. Psychology. Can't do it. Well, what I mean is I can't go long when we're at all-time highs. I just can't do it. But we did get the 500 that I thought we would get eventually. Buy the pullbacks. Yeah, that's what I plan to do. Or, yeah, I don't know. Selling the rips. So I got 2 things going against me right now. This huge gap and all-time highs. So I might just sit on my hands. I don't know. Top Step is good. I just need one $200 a day and I'll be eligible for a payout. I didn't get the payout Friday. Is there any correlation you use between NQ and options? I don't trade options, so I can't really answer that question. Sorry, man. I do want to learn options, but I have learned a little bit, enough to be a little dangerous. All right, another pullback. I'm going to wait and see what happens. Did you guys see that latest video short that I posted? It's doing pretty good. In terms of views, it says it's my number 1 by ranking on views this quickly, but I didn't make the video. I hired someone, Deity, if you ever see him on in the chat here. Deity is doing all my shorts for me now, and he did a good job, man. Really good job. Very engaging short, and it's on the longer side too. It's 1 minute and 29 seconds, so make sure y'all watch that and hit that like button for me. I'd greatly appreciate it. I'll put a link in the chat here. Just helps get a little bit of attention to it. Roy Evans, futures contracts have no time decay. Options do have time decay. In options, even if you are right on the move, time, but a lot of time went on. You lose money. You lose money. In futures, about the same contract. You don't have to worry about time. Yeah. I have a friend of mine that trades futures, and he always waits till like Wednesday or Thursday because something about it closing on Friday, and get a 2-day or 1-day call or put. And he says he hedges, so he'll put 2 trades in. Not really sure how that works, but because I haven't taken the time to go after it, but have another setup just like we have right here. I wonder if it's going to be a similar situation. Trying to get rid of these lines. It's the grid lines, isn't it? Got 'em. Hedging is good if you don't want to sell and pay taxes. I definitely don't want to pay taxes, man. Oh, I hate taxes. Hedging is what you do if you have lots of money and can play both sides. Strangles, straddles. I'm interested in learning, but I kind of want to stick to what I've got going on first. I see. I'm in longs on NQ. Might be a good position. You got about 46, 10 points you can probably stand to gain. I'm not sure how long it'll go though. I just want to sit and wait. I'm waiting for a short entry. Open a bank account in the Cayman Islands. You only need a cool 10 million. You gonna loan me the 10 million, Roy? I'll borrow it. And then I'll move to the Cayman Islands. Just kidding. I've been trading options for a while. Once you understand them, they are very simple. They come off like they are hard to understand, but really simple after you get the basics. Yeah, I bet. Sure, I'll send you a digital check. I'll take it, man. I'll probably donate most of it to my church. What's going on here? Anyone have any issues with the stream? 'Cause I sure am. Looks good over here. All right, we're at 11 likes. We need just a little bit more. It's glitching. Lovely. Do you call signals as well in Discord or just do live YouTube? So I'm not a signals type person, but sometimes I do post what I'm thinking on Discord for sure. I have posted, if you go into the executions tab on Discord, I have, whoops, where'd it go? I've made some pretty good calls, but I don't post anything in here unless I'm like positive. Here's one that I posted. We were up quite a bit. Here's another opportunity that I posted. And then long opportunities I've posted. Here's some wiki wicks. So I do post some, but not too much. I'm not a signals guy. I post some of my trades for sure though. And it's not financial advice, just so you know. Deity. This guy was up $1,000 on that trade. Nice. Anyway, yeah. So we do post some. I posted this one that I was hoping for the gap fill. What is your average yield per trade you do? I'm trading micros right now, so anywhere from 25 to 50 to a couple $100 sometimes. I'm not your big trader. My goal is $250 to $500 across each account every single day. And I have a bunch of accounts, so I think I have like 30 accounts. Mixture of funded and eval. I need to work on these evals. I like slow and steady wins for the race. Yeah, same here. I like it too. But yeah, the short that I posted, the link that I posted to that short, he did a good job on that video. Really good job. A lot better than the first one he posted. It's very engaging. So make sure y'all hit that like and show your support for Deity for the good work. Just posted it again in the description there, or in the I just started. I'm going to follow you and start trading with you if you don't mind starting tomorrow. Well, you're welcome to hang out and chill with us. I don't recommend following any trader. I recommend you figuring out an edge, and I'm happy to show you my edge, absolutely, but I don't recommend following anybody's advice in trading. The best thing I can tell you is to figure it out for yourself. You can watch streamers like myself or anyone else, but you're going to find that, hang on one second. You're going to find that the more time you spend on the market, looking at the charts, you'll have your own idea as to what's going to work. Anything can be an edge. Anything, literally. You just got to play it out. And I'm not trying to be rude or disrespectful. Looks like we might be trying to break down here to go short. But I'm scared. What you do is your call. I can't tell you what to do. And if you want to get a sim account and just practice with with the trades that I take, that's fine too. But I don't recommend trading live or funded with trades that I've made, because I'm sometimes a little aggressive. Like, I'll trade my evals pretty hard. Just being honest and transparent. If this wicks again, then we may come up for more. But welcome, Cam's Pizza PSL, to the stream. It's good to have you here. Sometimes twice a day, but most of the time just around 7 o'clock at night, my time, Central Time. I used to do morning trading live, but I can't do that anymore right now. Life happens. My new machine will be here Tuesday. Glad to have you here, Cam. All right, we have a minute and 50 seconds left of this candle. I'm really interested to see what it's going to do. If we wick up again, who inspired you to do this? Any streamers you came across got you into this? I bought a machine for my business. I'll tell you in a second. But no one got me into the streaming thing. I've been trading for about 10 years, almost 10 years now. And on and off, not completely 10 years straight, but this last year, I've gone every day looking at the charts, you know what I mean? And it's just boring sitting here chilling and watching the charts. So I find myself, wanting to get up and, do whatever. But so decided to start streaming and see if I can help other people. Plus, I'm a Christian man and I'm on fire for God. And I felt like it would be an opportunity to mention Jesus and the sacrifice that he's given us. So yeah, 2 birds, 1 stone, right? Paul, hey John, hope you're doing well. Doing well, man. Hope you're doing well as well. All right, so Cave, I bought this machine here. I'll show you. It's called a Z Spray Max. Bought this right here. It's got this good sprayer, so I can just ride on it and spray yards instead of walking and pulling hoses. It's a lot easier. And I can still pull and kill some weeds or, whatever. But Cams, bless you, brother. Bless you, brother. Juan Oka, have you got any payouts from Apex, and how do you like them? I like Apex a lot, actually. Look at that push to the downside. Is it time to sell, guys? Let's see if we can get through VWAP. I'm actually sponsored officially by Apex. I have a affiliate manager, and they give us a lot of free codes. They even give me free codes to use for myself. Apex is underrated. Yeah, I agree. I like Apex. People think that they have too many rules, but I don't know. They do pay out. It's for advanced traders. Oh yeah, for sure. I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 Apex accounts currently. Just have to follow them and you're good. Yeah, for sure. I will say this. I don't like Apex activation fees. But I love Apex. It's good. Never mess with Apex. Can you use your own money? No, Apex is a prop firm. We're trading prop firms here. you can use your own money on NinjaTrader, which is the platform that I'm trading on. Yeah, I agree. The eval fees are cheap. It's easy to get a bunch of funded accounts because you can blow through them and gamble your way to 50 PAs and have them sitting there waiting. NinjaTrader. Okay, do you have a link for that one? NinjaTrader.com. Yeah, let me just pull it up. It's a desktop application that I use, and I connect all my prop firm accounts to it. So, and this is not an affiliate link. This is just NinjaTrader. Although NinjaTrader did reach out to me recently about becoming sponsored by them too, so it's pretty cool. I don't know that they have anything to offer, but except for an amazing chart system that I really like. But if you go to Apex, here I'll send the link here to you. Apextraderfunding, it's like $18 for an account, and use my code JSDT. Buy you like, I don't know, 10 of them and start trading. It is a monthly thing though. Once you pass the evals though, so if you're new to this trading thing, make sure you just buy one. Using your own money won't last long in trading. I disagree, man. Depends on how good you are. I haven't traded my live in like a week. Currently down on that account. So I guess cave is somewhat right. All right, we're at 15 likes. We need 35 more. And we'll do an Apex giveaway. Maybe you'll win, Cam. Yeah, if I started with my own money, I agree. Yeah, I like props. Props are awesome. You get a free turtle shell ashtray when you be an affiliate of NinjaTrader. Oh yeah? How do you become an affiliate with NinjaTrader? They don't really have an affiliate program. I mean, they do, but there's nothing to sell. I mean, data maybe, but I don't really know. I just feel like it's a prop firm world that I'm in, and most people use, I don't know. How many of you are using NinjaTrader for your charting? Oh yeah, I've seen their live streams. He did mention that, so. Most people are using TradingView, and Top Step X. I wanted to get short at the end of this candle, but I just couldn't do it. Yeah, trade of 8. I like NinjaTrader better. Because like when you're in a position, let me just sell them. I'm going to show you. See these right here? They're so much better than trade of 8. They're just lines that you can barely see on trade of 8. In my opinion, I think these are better. It's just a personal preference, really. I guess if I started out with trade of 8, I would be okay with the way it's set up. Sorry for the misspelling. No big deal. This isn't a spelling class, my friend. Sometimes we get to typing a little heavy. I'll go ahead and take the short. Hopefully we get through VWAP. If price comes back up here, I want to be out. Man, I really hope I get to give away an Apex account tonight. We're at 17 likes. Big shout out to Apex for the giveaways too, by the way. All right, we're up 2 points, 2.25. Not a whole lot. $5. Got 2 minutes left of the candle, and hopefully we stay below the VWAP and the 21 EMA. All right, we're up 5 points now. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get the giveaway started. Streamlabs is still messing up over here on me. I can't get it to work. Redux, just subscribe. Thanks for your support. Welcome in. Make sure you hit that like button. We are doing a giveaway for Apex. Have you ever looked at algorithm trading? A little bit, yeah. I prefer to control everything. Edgar, how you doing? Looks like a nice long man. Yeah. Too bad it wasn't a nice short, right? We closed below VWAP, so we'll see how it goes. Love NQ at all-time high. Crazy. Yeah. It gapped up to a new all-time high. Menace. Got him a ticket to the giveaway as long as we make it in. We need quite a few more likes on the stream, so make sure you hit that like button, guys. Menace, welcome to the stream too, by the way. Redux, do you watch MACD for momentum shifts, or what are you watching for these trades? I don't really trade MACD. I trade price action. JGFJ, DAC, SD. I'm hedging. Are you trading options or are you hedging different accounts? All right, we're at 20 likes. We just need 30 more. Got about an hour to do it too. I'm only in this trade also because I thought maybe it could go down, which it still could, but I was just trying to show an example, but I want to leave it open for now. Cam's Pizza, sorry I'm in and out. I will catch up with you next time. You mind if I hit you up on Discord? Sure. All right, we're at 24 likes. We're halfway there. God bless, Cams. Have a good one. Those that haven't yet liked are suffering from trade anxiety or work for Goldman Sachs. That's hilarious. Even if you don't care to be a part of the giveaway, just hit that like button for other people, not just for yourself. That's okay though. We'll get there. Plenty of time left. All right, we're stopped out on that for a loss, but we're still green on the day. I wonder how far to the upside we will go, because right now we're making new highs, you know what I mean? So if it keeps going up, I wonder if it just slowly grinds up all day. But we'll find out. I'll be right back. I'm going to use the restroom, say hello to the family for a second, and I'll be What's up, Massey? Roy Evans minus I plus E. What does that mean? Glad to hear it, man. I sent you a message saying, hey, while I was out. I saw your chat come through. Didn't want to leave you hanging. Man, it's brutal. It's brutal. It's pretty hot. Right now it's not too terrible. The humidity here is terrible. All right, we're still at 24 likes. We need 26 more likes to do this giveaway. So make sure y'all hit that like button. Massey, if you hadn't already, hit that like button. Let's get 50 likes. Thanks, brother. Now we're at 26. Cool. What's up, RFT trader? How you doing? I'm doing pretty good over here. About to eat some tacos. It's Taco Sunday at my house. My wife's a great cook. I think so. So far we're grinding up, but I don't know. I'm just waiting for the next opportunity to short. I should have got long here at this candle. California, 42 Celsius, 120 Fahrenheit. Ouch. RFT trader, I'm fine, John. Thank you. Glad to hear, brother. Had a good church day today. We went to church. It was packed. We almost had to leave because there was no seats. We were going to watch the live stream at home, but we found some seats. Church was great. Every time I mention church or God or Jesus, I have a few people drop off. It's kind of funny. But that's okay. They still heard about Christ. Dan, how you doing, brother? They're not doing too bad. I'm up like 23 bucks on each account. I was up a little bit, quite a bit more than that, but I was expecting to go further down to fill the gap here. I saw your trades, man. Looking good. Looking real good. Everyone just copy Dan's trades, man. You'll get rich. Share today's message. We need it. The message was being offended. I'm not a good preacher. Slow and steady. Ready? Okay. I'm not an Asian trader. I will just watch you. I'm not trading at the moment. I'm gonna wait and see if we can find something. But for now, I'm actually gonna go eat a couple tacos and have dinner with my fam. It's a little late, 7:30 here. All right, we're at 28 likes. Trying to get to 50 for an Apex account giveaway. You can pick any size you want. But I'll be right back. Give me like 5 minutes. I didn't know. I didn't see that video, Edgar. That's cool. Maybe you can post a link in the chat. I'll check it out. Yeah, I'll be on for another hour or two. I'm gonna try to find some setups to play so I don't have to trade too much in the morning. Have a busy day tomorrow. BRB. All right, we're back. Oy, oy, oy. Dinner was good. We're still at 28 likes. Oh my. Hey Edgar, do you got that link for the Apex CEO? Kelly Kaufman, what's up, folks? Any trading taking place here on Sunday evening? Just a little bit. I'm waiting. Thanks, Kelly. Appreciate it. Welcome to the stream, by the way. I don't think I've ever seen you here. Welcome in. Oh, you sent it on DM? Oh, yeah, I see. I don't see it. Where'd you send it at, Edgar? Oh, Instagram. Sorry. DMIG. Instagram. Duh. Well, that's cool. I remember getting baptized. I usually take a trade, GCES, just happened across your channel. Cool, glad you're in. This channel has grown pretty crazy, actually. We're up 650 subscribers. Just not even 2 weeks ago, we were like 150. And then 3 weeks ago, we were, 100, less than 100. It's growing pretty cool. Loving all the support from everyone. It's pretty amazing. Well, looks like we're going to keep grinding up a little bit here. I wonder if we're going to reject this area, which we already did, kind of. Wow, we're at 30 likes. We just need 20 more. We'll do the giveaway. I like when we get to do the giveaways. Makes me feel good. Helping people out, you know? I like doing philanthropy in the trading space. If we come back up to this top here, I'm definitely taking a short. I'm probably going to enter about 5 contracts. Micros. Half a mini. Got my Apex copier ready. We're all set, boys. Today, tomorrow, I should get a payout from Top Step, which will be cool. It's my first account with Top Step. First account, first eval, first funded account, all that. Really cool. Slow grind up. When is Tokyo? We're already open. What time is it? 7:45. We are open. $19 more likes to go, guys. Hit that like button. Don't start selling off yet. Let's go up to the highs. Let's make a new high first. Dang, my mic was muted. Sorry. Sometimes I trade gold, micro or gold, ES and YM, but most of the time just trading NQ. I'm pretty familiar. Nice pop on MGC. I'm up 313 tonight. That's good enough for me. Copy trading 5 funded. Heck yeah. I'll subscribe and check you out another time. When are you typically on? Typically afternoon. I don't really have a set schedule. During the day, I run a business, so I used to trade full time all day and night, or mostly all day, and I wasn't really trading at night, but now I'm kind of running things and doing a lot of the work, so I fired everybody. Make sure you put the code in for Apex to maybe win an account. But congrats on your trade, man. It's awesome. And I know you're not a man. I just say man a lot. All right, we're at 34 likes. $16 more to go. I might as well make you a YouTube overlay. What's an overlay? Deity? Guys, this is Deity. He's the one that made the YouTube short for me. He's doing all my videos now. This one here, I'll post it in the chat again for everyone to check out. Make sure y'all watch it all the way through. Hit that like button. Leave a comment. That'll help out a lot. You did a good job on that short. I'm pretty proud of it. I got you. Yeah, send it over on Discord. I'll check it out. Anything to better the stream. Yeah, Deity's in school still. College, I think, right? Gotta get that sleep, man. Here lately, I haven't been getting much sleep myself. Work all day. I get up early, super early. Have you ever tried memes? Like, meme coins? Yeah, I bought Doge and Shiba Inu. I made a lot of money on both. I bought Doge right before it really took off, but I got out way too early. Are you talking about like the actual where they drop the coin and it does its thing, goes up and then back down, and the creator sells their stock? Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely gambling. I'm not interested. But I've seen some people make a lot of money doing it though on YouTube. Yeah, sometimes I'll take a trade on BTC. I only trade those um, instruments when the 4 hour candle presents itself pretty solid, just because I don't watch the charts much. So I saw a kid who was 16 or 18, he made 40 mil. Man, I don't know if I believe that, but he might be chopping your chains, but maybe he did. I don't know. I hope so. That's cool. $40 million. Was he the developer? Oh, that's cool, man. Jeez. Wonder if he was the developer. All right, so we're kind of at these highs here, and we haven't quite hit them. So if we do, I might take a short. Maybe he rug pull and all. Yeah, probably. He was probably the developer. You build it up enough and get a bunch of people to buy in whenever you're on that, then yeah, you will make quite a bit. There's a guy that does that. I can't remember his name, but he says he don't, but he does. Meme coins are like penny stocks to me. Someone buys a bunch of meme coins, hypes it up, then sells when everyone else buys in. Yeah, same thing as a rug pull. It should be illegal if it's not. I'm surprised these shops where you can do this at are open. They'd have to be out of the country, out of the U.S. Tabib Ahmed, Space Giraffe, Trump coin. I remember Trump coin. All right, we're at 35. We need 15 more likes. Tabib, hey. Welcome in. Hey, do you guys know if you have to be a subscriber to chat? I was just wondering. I can't remember if I ticked that setting or not. No, you don't? Okay. I meant to put it on. I don't know how to enable it. I can't remember how. Space Giraffe. Welcome in. think I got it figured out. Maybe not. Killing it in longs. That's good. You can change it from YouTube Studio subs only. Yeah, I'm trying to find that setting. That's what I'm looking for right now. But haven't found it yet. From live stream, click edit. Tyson Hall, take care, John. Good luck with any trades. Thanks, brother. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Yeah, it wasn't in there, deity. It won't change. It's no big deal. I'm not that worried about it. I know there's a way to do it. I just can't remember how. Well. She saw that.
Yeah.
New members, make sure to join DC Disco. Okay. He said, hey, let your daughter take a trade.
Spoiling daddy. Great fam, John.
Oh, yeah. My family's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially
Really?
you, right?
What?
Especially you, right?
I love you.
I still can't find it, Deity. I can't find it at all. I love you too.
Are you gonna let me do a trade?
Maybe.
They said to.
They don't make the rules.
Too bad. Today they do.
We'll do an eval.
What's that?
It's not actual money, so you're not gonna get any money from it. But let's see.
Why?
Because
Why can't I do a real one that actually gives me money?
I said. All right, look at the chart and tell me if you think it's gonna go up or down. Green is up, blue is down.
Looks to me as if it's going to go down.
Looks like it's making a little trend to the upside, but it's kind of rejected here. She's calling for you. I still can't find it. That's like wild to me. Maybe your kid can do one trade, battle, winner gets chocolate. They're getting ready for bed right now, so my wife just called for them all. Dude, I still can't find how to change the setting to make only people who are subscribed. Wait, I figured it out. Who can send messages? Subscribers. 5 minutes. Let's change it to 1 minute. Alright, I figured it out. We're good. Dang, that was a pain. I figured it out, Dee Dee. We're good. Alright, so now you have to be a subscriber to chat. Are you still here, Dan? You still thinking long? VWAP? Alright, how many likes we have so far? We're at 35. Still need 15 more and I'll give this account away. Make sure y'all hit that like button if you're just browsing around. Good evening, Sandro. How you doing, brother? Morning for you. I forgot where you are, Dee Dee. India, right? Somewhere out there. Yeah, I thought so. All right, we're at 36 likes. Looks like we're going to view up here. Maybe, just maybe, we will pop back to the upside. Looks like a bunch of people are toying around with the emojis here, huh? That's funny. Maybe we'll pop off VWAP here. My camera's out again. Didi, I need you here, man. If I'm lucky enough, I can leave India by the end of this year. You come to the U.S. or where are you going? Canada? I need you here, man. For sure. They got this light on in the dining room. I'm in the dining room, but the new dining room. And it's really bright. Haha, I can be your in real life manager. Yeah, maybe. Where are you thinking of going for sure, though? B. Collins is curious, too. Oh man, the raffle's closed. I'm gonna have to resume entries. Alright, just resumed it. We've only got 6 people in for tickets, so make sure you type in exclamation point Apex to get your entry in. If we trade below this area here, I might look at taking shorts on the next pullback. I don't know, maybe Bali, not sure. Okay. How do we enter? You type in you type in Apex but with an exclamation point. Here, I'll type it in and show you. APEX. And then it'll respond to you telling you that you've received 1 ticket. Man, I never win. Trade with John, you received 1 ticket. I never win. Sandro, you're in. We're at 36 likes right now though, but we do need 50. I have to, per Apex, I have to wait till 50 likes. So we gotta get 50 likes. That's the rule. We're almost there. We're at 36. 14 more to go. Still got plenty of time. I'm not leaving anytime soon. Excuse me. I want to make my 200 for the day tonight. I'm just waiting for that opportunity. Your best vacation till now. So I've never been out of the country. I can't really tell you any stories about out of the country, but I'll tell you what, I really enjoyed California, the Grand Canyon, and Key West. Miami was pretty nice too. So I've been a lot of places. I like Gatlinburg too. I live close to Gatlinburg, about 4 hours away. 1 ticket, that's my average speeding camera catch for a week. You know, I used to get a bunch of tickets too, man. Then I became an adult. Well, I was an adult at the time then too, but then I became a more mature adult and started, I have a family now. So, I'm driving around with my family most often. But, so I kind of slowed down a little bit. I haven't had a ticket in years now, so I'm doing good. But I have lost my license I don't know how many times because I forgot about a ticket I've got. Probably like 4 or 5 times. You know how many times I've literally gone to jail because I didn't have my license. Didn't even know it. They take you to jail here for that, and then you can get right back out literally in 30 minutes. But they take you to jail, book you, and release you. You have to bond out, wait for the bondsman. So this market will tank, Sandro. Yeah, I think we're working on it. But so use the speed. Wasn't expecting that. Yeah, man. I used to have a nice little sports car before I had family. I had a really bad wreck too. If I can find it, I'll show you. I had a Eclipse that I really loved. I'll look for that in a minute. I'm gonna walk out for just a moment and help her out real quick. Kids don't want to go to bed, so bear. Trader went to jail. No, don't do that. That was in my younger days. I've never been to jail for anything crazy though. So just that. Bouncing VWAP again. Does it hold though? I kind of have a lower high here. If we close below VWAP, I'm going to take a short. I do believe so. Catch up on the chat real quick. Trader went to jail. B. Collins, there's a bounce of VWAP. See how it reacts. Roy Evans, I have a Land Cruiser 4x4. It takes me an hour to reach any speed sign, speed limit. Hence, only get one ticket a week. Otherwise, I'm sure it would triple. One ticket a week. Man, I couldn't do it. Let me tell you something, okay? My wife never gets a ticket. When she gets pulled over, never gets a ticket. I'm telling you. Especially if it's a male cop. And when I say my wife's gorgeous, she is stunning. Some of y'all have seen her. And I'm not trying to brag or make my head big or whatever, toot my own horn, toot. But, dude, she never gets a ticket. Never. One time I was driving her Jeep. We were going to another city over, and I was speeding. I'm not used to her Jeep. Well, I wasn't at the time, like she is, and it's got them bigger tires, so the speed limit is kind of off. Excuse me. Speed limit's kind of off, and so it's like 5 or 10 miles wrong. So if you're going 70, you're really going 80. But I got pulled over by a state trooper, and I kid you not, state troopers never give me a break. Never, ever. I don't care what I'm driving. But this guy gave me a break. I let her do the talking. He was cool. He gave me a break. Never. And he's pulled me over before. Never given me a break. But I did say you're batting above your average. Oh, yeah, 100%, man. Ortho Boho just subscribed. 650. Heck yeah, man. Oh, and then he just unsubscribed. Maybe. Somebody did. Anyway, yeah, she never gets a ticket. It doesn't matter, man. It's funny. She can be doing 15 over and still not get a dang ticket. Will it fill the gap? What do you think? I think it will, yeah. Overnight, probably. We met. She was my neighbor, actually. Her dad was my neighbor. She wasn't. Her dad told her one day, because me and him started hanging out a little bit. He said he likes me a lot for some reason, but I guess because I'm a business owner and a real go-getter. That's what he always says. He says I'm the calmest person he's ever met, which I am pretty calm. I'm a calm guy, but he told her one day, because she went through a divorce. Her ex-husband was pretty evil towards the end of their relationship. He did some pretty horrible stuff, but his loss, my gain. But he told her that if she gets with anyone again, marries anybody again, she wants it to be someone like John, or he wants it to be someone like John. And one day I was actually building a house next door. Excuse me. I was building a house, and I did a self-build. It's a barn dominium style home, and I saw him over there. I walked over to say hey, and there she was, hanging out with him. She pulled up, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of wanted to meet her. Never met her. I've seen her in passing before. Lived there for a year, right beside him, and still never actually met her. We just wave, but went and met her, and then about a week later, I think I added her on Facebook, and then she hit me up, started talking to me, and we went out on a date in Nashville and hung out. Yeah, so it was not your normal meet, but we had a good time, and we just once we met, we just never ever. Pedro Pablo, new subscriber. Was that you a minute ago? Yeah, we met one time and never stopped seeing each other. Literally seen her every day, all day since. She's a pretty cool woman. Very cool. Favorite person in the world. Her and my kids, for sure. They're awesome people. My wife and I, we don't hardly ever fight. She is so good to me. My underwear drawer and sock drawers are always full. I have a full belly every night. She cooks. She's a great wife, man, and she's beautiful. Anyway, enough about that. She's a Christian woman too, which is another positive. I love that about her. Talking to my brother-in-law on Facebook here. 1 second. But yeah, I'm definitely batting above my league. Huh? She's a good woman. Man, you need to write a Mills and Boone love story. What's Mills and Boone? Congrats, man. Maybe one day I'll find my Latina. Maybe. I was just talking about you. They all asked me how we met.
Oh. Well, that's a funny story.
Yeah. In her dad's driveway.
Yep.
Hey, did you know that these are still up here? Look.
Is that my Facebook?
Yeah. Well, if I can find out how to... There it is. I'm not used to the web. That's
Does
wild.
it show
Eh?
that on the front?
Yeah. Pretty
We're
weird,
so
huh?
old.
Yeah, I know. I don't ever see it if I'm on the phone, though.
Okay.
This is my beautiful family right here. My baby girls. And then we have one in here. Okay, there we go. Thank you, Cave. She's amazing. John, which copy trader you use for Apex? You can, if you do Tradeify, you can use their built-in copier, the group thing. But I use the Apex copier. But I'm gonna switch over to the other one. What was it called, Cave? Yeah, Roy. Well done. Signed, sealed, and delivered. I came, I saw, I conquered. She never wants for anything, though. She gets to be a stay-at-home wife, too. She loves that. the copier. I can't remember the name of it. The one that you suggested. I checked it out and I liked it, so I'm gonna buy it. See if I can find a wedding photo. We got married in Gatlinburg. She looked beautiful in her dress. Here it is. This is our wedding photos. Couple of them here. She was real small then. I could hold her up pretty easy. Yeah, she's gorgeous. Anyway, back to trading. Replicanto, yeah, that might be the one. TradeSync. One of the two. I can't remember which one it is. It's been a while since I checked it out. TradeZilla, I heard, is good. TradeZilla is not a copier, is it? It's just a way to track your trades. I'm thinking we're going to short here, guys. I'm going to do it on NQ also. And probably... I'm going to wait just a little bit, but I'm not going to copy this trade. Happy Sunday evening, Mr. John. Hey, Orange Toe. How you doing, brother? My wife and I were talking about you the other day. Your name. All right, which account do I want to do this on? I do have a PA account that I need to build back up, so I'm going to go for it. Why aren't all my accounts showing? Yeah, it wasn't bad. We were just laughing at your name, man. Some of the names we've seen on the stream been pretty cool. All right, we're at 38 likes. We need 12 more to give away Apex. Let's do it. What is up with my chart up here? This account took a hit the other day, actually. It was a bad mistake. I didn't even know I was trading a PA. I thought I was trading an eval. I do that from time to time. All right, we're at 39. We just need 11 more. All of my accounts aren't showing up on my chart or on my thing here. I have like 5 PAs missing here and some If you haven't already entered the giveaway, we're so close, so you might want to go ahead and get that in, get your ticket in. And all you gotta do is post this onto the chat if you haven't already. Just do it once though. I'm not trading NQ at the moment. I'm thinking it's going to tap that point of control around 505. I hope so. We've made a lower high here. Hopefully it just continues to kind of break down. What's up, Plains? What's up, Frank? Oh yeah, Frank, you've been here. Plains, I ain't talked to you in a minute. Yo, Jim Blab. Finally starting to see some more people that I know. How y'all doing? Plains was debating on trading or gaming. I'm not a gamer, but I think I would be gaming right now if I was. Where we at on likes? We're at 41. We're almost there, guys. Close, close, close. 9 more to go. I love giving away accounts, man. Love it. Yeah, the queues were too long. Yeah, the gap up. I feel like we have to close it, though. I'm shooting for it. For now, I'm just shooting for anything I can get on this account because the account balance is currently at 48,216. We have like $500, $560 in drawdown left. Dumb mistake. Dumb mistake. Didn't realize I was muted. But one thing I don't like about Ninja Traders, there's always something wrong. This right here is not showing the proper chart. My accounts aren't showing all of my accounts aren't showing. That's a good sign. Let's go down, baby. We have $555 in drawdown, so I'm gonna trade it a little more risky, just to kind of build it back up or lose it. No risk it, no biscuit. That's it, man. Nine more likes, people. came over to donate, but not monetized yet. Soon. Good luck on the short. Yeah, I haven't turned on the monetization yet. I haven't even applied yet. Appreciate it though, man. You ain't gotta donate. Appreciate you stopping in, sir. You guys check out Luna Trades. Pull him up here. He goes live too, and it looks like he's currently live. Let's all watch him. It's a good dude right here. Turn it on. Hang on, I gotta turn the volume. I ain't never done anything like this before. Alright, we're gonna watch them together. Desktop audio on. Unmute.
Might as well just hop over and stream on your stream.
Yeah, man. Might as well.
That's what's up. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you just fine. I think everyone else can too. I've never done anything like this
You guys
before.
can hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you
That's
just fine.
hilarious.
Yeah, y'all go subscribe to Luna Trades. Really cool guy. I think he's in like he's overseas somewhere. I don't know where, but
Okay, there, yeah. With the multiple delays, my delay, then your delay.
it's funny, man, how technology works, ain't
I
it?
thought I was gonna go around and start donating. You're the only other person streaming right now that I know of.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Massey, you are already on his
You
channel.
might as well just pull me in.
I don't even know how to do it, man. Do you know how to do it? I can definitely do it. I'd be happy to. Maybe you can give these guys some knowledge bombs. Are you short or long here?
You can do it through. I've done it through Discord.
Discord.
So yeah, guys, I didn't even say it, but yeah, I'm chatting over here with Trade with John, so I'll put that in the chat here. So now I feel like I'm dual streaming. I'm long right now.
Long.
I'm long from down here. It's like an RSI divergence right at the VWAP, right at Monday's mid, and then where my entry was, I waited for it to turn green. I didn't plan it, but it also turned into like a 2-bar reversal right here. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't mind, so I like it. But I'm trying to take off most of them right here, so I'll be in the profit. Just with these highs here with the value area high, and then I'll see if I can catch a runner on a few of them, I guess. But I'll probably trail this up tight if once we and just lock it in because this is slow. I wanted to back test and then I ended up taking a trade right away, of course.
I like watching it when you back test. It's pretty cool. It's hard for me to get long right now. We're at all-time highs, and I guess you can call it psychology. Can y'all hear him now?
I'm probably just gonna let this play out, but I was thinking about trailing a break even with these wicks here. But I'm gonna let this one play out. I'm only risking $200 on it, so it's a 50K PA.
50K PA. I'm gonna have to figure out how to pull you in, man. I don't know how to do that. Let me try to see if I can figure it out. 1 second. I'm currently short, by the way. Let's see.
Are we on Discord? I think we're on Discord together. Let me see.
Yeah. Do I have to go into like our chat? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to do it, man.
Yeah, if we can open up a video call in the chat, and then you can pull me in through there, and I'll just
Okay.
listen to you from the video call, but I can watch your screen and stuff from the YouTube.
Maybe we should do this some other time and just plan it. What do you think? That way I'm a little more familiar. You good with that?
Yeah, I'm down with whatever. I'm low key at night right now. I'm just streaming very low key. I didn't tell anyone I'm streaming or anything. I just hopped on.
Yeah. How's that long position going? My short's looking okay now. Let's see. Sweet, everybody can hear you now. All right, man, I'm gonna pop off, but yeah, let's plan it sometime. I'd love to do that. Get you on and drop some bombs for these people. Luna's pretty dope. I've watched his stream for a while now. I'm gonna link his stream for you guys too.
Was chatting with Trade with John, but let's see. I don't even know if anyone's on right now. It looks like Gee Whiz.
Bear with me, guys. I gotta make a phone call. Something's wrong with my phone. I didn't mean to put that link in Luna's chat. I meant to put it in mine for you guys. Sometimes I'm an idiot. That'd be great, Luna. We can do that sometime. I'm actually not going to be on much longer. My wife's texting me. I got to get going soon. I'm hoping to do this giveaway. So we have 42 likes right now. We're aiming for 50. We need 8 more. Y'all go follow, subscribe to Luna. The link is in the chat. Planes posted in Discord said, been catching small gains through this range action. Very cautious of the bottom dropping out. Small risk, small reward. Hey man, it doesn't matter if it's small reward. You're gaining and still learning. I mean, $40, that's good, man. Do that, several accounts. Nice. Look at this short playing out. I wonder if Luna's still long here. What happened to it? There he is. Looks like he got out.
So here we took that short, took that long, waiting
See if you're
for
playing, 'cause those candles look like they're moving
another setup
fast.
here. I probably won't. This one I did take at the point of control because of this VWAP, but. So I'm just going to keep letting this play out, and
Oh, he
then
is in still.
I'm going to keep back testing.
It's pretty cool when the superstars, the people who have been around for a lot longer, jump on in it. I'm gonna bring him on sometime. Let you guys hit him up, and maybe he can give you guys some good information. He's a good trader, really good trader. I've been watching him for a while. Luna is awesome. There's more. I'm just kind of in the middle of something now. I tried to call you, by the way. Hit me up. I'm going to try to find them and send them to you here in just a second. Trying to do payroll. Got to do billing. I've already done payroll, but got to do billing now. And Jason sends all the bills, so I got to send him what was done. Hey. I don't know. I think it has you on the silence thing because. Oh, that's weird, man. That's what I have so far, but I have more. I've just gotta find them. They're here in my office. I'll send them to you. I just know I've. Are they all monthlies? When's the last time you sent out any invoices? Couple weeks. Dang, man. All right. I have my CPA going through what's it called? So we're gonna close everything out. So hopefully tax bill will be all right. Yeah, I've got all the receipts that you turned in. So hmm I just let them do it. They know what to do. I don't. I had a big tax bill this year though, so not trying to have another big one next year. So yeah, but all the money that I have that's left over, it's all going towards it. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn it in, whatever it is, so I'm not stuck paying for everything at the end of the year. I can't believe Chris did that, man. That's messed up, very messed up. But it is what it is. A guy named Leo. He's been sending me work, so I figured might as well just give them to him. Leo Mitchell Landscaping or something like that. Yeah, I think so. Mowing, yeah. right, that's one of my employees, and he's a talker. Woo, he's a talker. But that's all right. Anyway, the reason why I'm in this short is because I was trying to show something, and I got in the short and decided to stick around. We've kind of been keeping consistent here, so I'm not really that worried about it. Kind of in that range here, kind of working our way down, but we'll see. Hang on. All right, we're at 44 likes. We need 6 more, and we'll do the giveaway. Any size Apex account. 6 more to go. Thanks, Luna, for letting me know my mic was hot, by the way. Thought I hit the mute button. Nothing I was talking about was too crazy anyway. Just talking about taxes. Tax bills this year. Good looking out, though. All right, we have Andrew. Welcome in, man. Vin Kent. Why sure? There's a 30-minute gap and 15-minute gap. Yeah. There's also a big gap down here. We heard the Bing rip. Man, that guy just does not shut up. Oh my God. So what we're doing is, so I bought this landscape company actually from him last year, and I decided to shut it down this year. So we had a guy that tried to buy us out, and then he got introduced to, not introduced, but Jason drove him around, showed him our accounts, because I mean obviously he has to see, the bank needed to see accounts too, and we have a lot of commercial accounts, but just the other day, several of my commercial accounts, he got denied by the bank. He don't have credit for it. So the bank said, nope, sorry. Anyway, so he didn't buy the business, and I wouldn't have given him the loan either. He seems like he doesn't have it together. But regardless, what happened was he started going after our accounts, all of them. He did succeed on quite a few of them, unfortunately, because he knew the pricing. He underbid us, you know. He's not going to make any money off of it. He'll eventually up the price on them, and then they would come back to us. But I just shut it down. I don't want to be in that business anymore. So I'm giving actually all the accounts that we have left, all our residentials, to another landscape company. But yeah, this guy's pretty sour. Started going after our accounts. I got a call from Duncan. Starbucks, some of our more higher end clients, and said, hey, this guy's saying he's taking over for you guys. Is this true? No, it's not true. They decided to stick around, but you know, the some of the other ones did not. It's pretty bad. I could probably sue him, but I'm just not interested. I've got too much going on as it is. LOL, that is so standard. Yeah, it's pretty sad, honestly, man. You can't trust anybody in the business world. I've learned that lesson over and over again. I shouldn't have to learn it anymore, though. I'm not taking on anything. anything else like that. No, nothing. I told Jason too, do not give him any account information until he signs an NDA. Well, guess what? He did it anyway. He says he didn't know I said that, but I'm pretty business savvy. I do very well financially, and I've been a business owner all my life. But if he was smart, he would have tried to help the business. Yeah, he should be bringing you clients and asking for 10%, 100%. But he owns a business too, doing the same thing. But he's sad, man. He's sad. Sad. People suck. That's all I gotta say. Suck. But it's not a big deal. It's not the biggest part of my income. It's just only like not even 5%. So I think that company does about $100,000 net revenue. So I'm just shutting it down. I don't want anything for it. I don't care. My other company, that's what it is. That's where we're at. Let's see. Yeah, I worked with other plumbers to expand everyone's business. Spotter fees of 10% referral, etc. So the way we do things here, I've got a few. So I spray fertilizer, weed control. That's the kind of business I'm in. Local Turf Pros is my company, and we spray fertilizer, weed control, and then forever I've been out of the landscaping business. I don't do landscaping like mowing, landscape work, hardscape, all that good stuff. But so I refer all that out to other people. I kind of go in line with several people, but they all send me work too. They don't ask for any kind of kickbacks, and I don't ask for it either. I had a guy make $100,000 off one of my referrals just a couple months ago. Huge install on landscape. He made over $100,000 in profit. So imagine what their landscape bill was. And he did send me a nice little kickback, but I didn't ask for it. We don't ask for that stuff. I've thought about opening a tree service in Florida. Yeah, tree services do really well around here. Thing is, though, we send work to each other. Like a lot of my clients are referrals and word of mouth. So, yep, more business savvy. So yeah, that's what we do. We just help each other out. I have sprayers. I'm the only company in my city and surrounding that I've been around the longest, and there's only one competitor really. There is a new guy that just kind of came about, but so far he's sending me work. Literally, he does exactly what I do, and he's sending me work. I had a lady call me the other day. This guy said that he can't handle this size of a job, and referred me. So that says a lot when your competitor sends you work too. But competition is good. It's really good. It keeps everyone on their toes. I respect competition. I hope the guy does well. I'm not after his clients. If they call me, I'm going to take them on, but vice versa. Healthy. That's what it should be. David Friesen. Hello, my first time on this channel, here from Mexico. Do you teach your strategy on YouTube? Sort of. I trade price action. I don't really have a lot to teach. I look for rejections, liquidity. My main squeeze is the 4-hour rejection wick. I can give you a little bit of a rundown real quick. So on NQ here, I always have the 4-hour chart pulled up. So each of these boxes here are 40 points. So this is 40, 40, and 40, right? 120 point wick here. So with this wick here, I'm going long, and I'm gonna try to hold as long as I can. That's what I trade. Most of the time these trades work out. I mean, you get them all the time. This one right here, it didn't work out unless you kind of like DCA'd a little bit or you waited. But most of the time you see these long wicks, the price is rejecting long term, so it's going the opposite direction. That's my bread and butter strategy. That's the only one I'm really comfortable teaching. 9 and 21 EMA. You see the green, that's the 9. That's a sticky. It's only 9 bars of price average. This is the 21. When price crosses over, so like the 9 EMA is below the 21. Once price crossed over, it's time to go long. Not necessarily a strategy, it's more of a confluence. Yeah, so another thing I trade are these gaps. So when price is at all-time highs, I'm looking for shorts. A lot of people are saying to go long on these all-time highs, but I guess it's a psychology thing, but I can't do it. I just can't. So all-time highs, I'm looking for it to reject for a little bit. And we're currently in a short position because I was trying to show something. Trade of 8 versus Ninja Trader, but I still want to be in the short for now. We've been in profit a couple times. I took the short here. We've been in profit a little bit, maybe $100, give or take. But I'm gonna let it play out because I feel like over the long term, price is coming down. But yeah, that's what I trade, man. 20 years ago, the group of plumbers got together and blocked a takeover of a maintenance company from France in our state, and they have a reputation for people who oppose them disappearing. Wow. And you took them on? And did y'all win? That is a well-known French company offering maintenance, plumbing, and insurance to take over plumbing maintenance. Wow. David Friesen. Wow, too easy. Thank you. Yeah, no problem, man. The 9 and 21 EMA, don't just trade it blindly. I mean, if you took this, obviously there, but if you took this long here when the 9 EMA crossed over, I mean, you could have rode that quite a while, and you get that trade quite a few times a day. It's just an extra confluence, but I'm looking for wicks most of the time. I'm looking for price to come down and then start breaking down. Like it kind of, the momentum slows down. So I guess you could say I'm a reversal trader. But right here, price, you got these long wicks. You feel like price is rejecting here too. So I would be looking for shorts per my strategy if I only traded that. But I'm looking for extra confluence. So anyway, you can trade that on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, whatever. But typically 10, 20 points, 1 mini or 1 to 5 micros is what I'm trading too, by the way. Yeah, we won. Shut them down within a month. Haha, that's awesome. Hard to trade if you can't get your vehicle out of your yard. That's funny. Trying to think if there's anything else I can kind of share. I mean, it repeats itself over and over again. And the more you stare at the charts, the more you start to see, especially on the 1 minute. The 1 minute chart's pretty awesome because you can catch a lot more movement in the market with the 1 minute. So it's a lot more noisy. So I trade the 5 minute, but I'm at the 1 minute too sometimes. But you can just see, I mean, you got a lot more movement. And then down here, you could have, price is starting to buckle down right here, right? Boom. Coming down. Price is starting to buckle here, coming down. Buckle here. It just repeats itself. Think of waves. Up and down, up and down. That's what I'm after. I just want a little piece of the pie. That's it. The 5 minute is the jam. Yeah, I like the 5 minute too. I prefer the 5, but I'll watch higher time frame for sure. My wife is ready for me to go to bed. Where are we at on likes? 46. 4 more likes, guys. Apex account giveaway. Just 4 more. I got into the 2 minute for a while. I did too, 2 minute. But I started focusing on the 5 again. Yeah, I was on the 2 minute whenever I first started my YouTube, actually. All right, we're at 47. 3 more to go. 2 minutes pretty cool. It's a little less noisy than the 1 minute, obviously. I feel like I have like a famous person watching my stream right now. Luna, you've been around a while, man. Making me nervous. Just kidding. Oh yeah, Luna, I used your code today on Where did I use it at? Hang on. Trying to log in at Apex. I think I do remember that ASFX podcast. That guy's gotten a lot of hate when he started referring top one futures. So I kind of tried to stay away from him. All right, price broke through, man. Look at that. We're going big or we're going home. We've got $455 in drawdown on this account. I'll let it rip up more before I add another contract. Probably gonna live to regret this. It's just one Apex PA. Oh yeah, Rips was on my chat and I was super nervous. Rips. That guy is famous. He's wild. He gets on Kick every night and he's over there playing hard rock games. One second, I'm gonna turn my headphones back on. How many likes we have? 47. All right, we're at 47 likes. We need 3 more, guys.
Oh, and he's shorting MNQ.
Who's shorting MNQ?
All right. How are you going to short MNQ? Gee whiz.
Gee whiz. I'm shorting NQ. I'm kind of broke here, so I'm a little nervous about the trade, to be honest with you.
All right, guys. I guess I'm going to go back to back testing because I'm going to try to hold this runner now. I mean, we hit...
Of course you don't like bears right now, man.
Okay, so let's see if we get another setup here. I'm willing to do... I'm going to try to do like the first 3 of New York session and then move on to the next day. So let's see if we get another one. I'm going to see if we get a div below this VWAP. We are, though, breaking this value area low, so I don't know. I guess I just wouldn't take this trade here. This is just a no trade. And it's we're kind of between all these levels right here. So I don't know. I guess I just shouldn't take that. Maybe I wait to see if we get a long setup right here.
All right, guys, one more like. I'm going to go ahead and get this giveaway going here.
I mean, if this does break up, I think this could turn into a pretty good trade.
All right, make sure you type this in the chat so you get
yeah, I mean, this could
entered.
really run. I mean, we're breaking new highs, so.
Exclamation Apex, and you're in the chat. So we have so far 16 people in the run
I'm gonna
for
try
an
to hold
Apex giveaway.
Oh, look at these sellers coming in the S. They just piled on. And we're holding here.
Yeah, it looks
Let's
like we
go.
are gonna hold, man. I'm gonna de-risk and call it on this trade here. All right, guys, put your get your entry into the raffle here for Apex. We just need one more like, and I think we'll get it. So my wife will be happy. All right, we hit 50. We're giving it away. Stanley, are we typing Apex? Yeah, put an exclamation Apex. This right here. Just copy what I typed into the stream there, and you should be good to go. Massey,
Trade with John's
Stanley.
doing his giveaway right now. Just put Apex in the chat.
It's exclamation Apex, by the way. Luna.
No, not in my chat. You did it in my chat.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to tell you it's a exclamation Apex, not just Apex.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, look at this breakup. We are getting this breakup right here. Let's go. I'm probably going to drag this up. I'm going to just lock this in here soon. but
Order
I
filled.
want to let it go for now. Hold on, let's see.
All right, I closed my trade. Looks like Luna outdid me here. All right, guys, we're about to do the
I'm still
giveaway.
back
Let's
testing
see.
too over here. I'm still kind of keeping my eye on it, but I'll just pause that.
I'm gonna give you guys
because
about
I don't want to get distracted.
2
so I'm gonna
minutes.
focus in
If
right
you
now,
haven't got
guys. I'm
in,
actually
now's the time.
gonna make sure I don't want to give up. Right now, these other 3 lots are up like
The
a
odds
nice
are
20
good.
bucks, which is
20
actually,
tickets.
pretty nice right now for this market.
See what I
moving
mean?
Slow.
If your name's not in here,
What, 90 bucks, 80 bucks? What was it?
make sure it's in.
Oh no, 126. Okay, so locking in the 70 is my 1R.
Mario Flores.
So you know what though? I'm gonna take it, guys.
You have to be a subscriber to win, by the
I'm
way.
taking 1R.
So
And I mean, I could hold like 1 lot for me.
I'm gonna give everybody
Okay,
2
we'll
more
do that.
minutes.
I
So
get
you have to
cheaper.
subscribe, and
We're gonna hold 1 lot
it
for
takes
me,
about a minute before you're able to chat.
and I'm
So
gonna change that to 2 lots.
Austin Freed, welcome in.
Boom. 1 lot for Moon.
Dadgum,
Since
Luna.
that one's okay, sorry, I just keep changing this. I want to do it like this. I need to right click.
I'm a natural bull. I don't know
There
why
you
I
go.
shorted that. I do know why I shorted that. Just
There it is.
doing some.
I just wanted to make sure my ATM
Teaching.
orders were right.
We're at a all-time high though, candle body high. So
I just want to lock in the 1R,
let's see if it goes up any further.
and then we hold 1 for the Moon. Which means this one I need to drag up. Okay, so I'm going to trail these 2 off tight. And then we're going to hold 1 for the Moon. I'm just going to take
Oh,
this.
my wife is so sweet.
We locked in my 1R.
All right,
I
let's
think.
see. Any last-minute entries? Let's go, man.
Oh, I was
Nasdaq.
about to try drag it up. It took it. Okay. Sweet. So far we locked in 140. We're holding it. It was a small position. We're holding 2 more, or 1 more.
Good trading, Luna.
I'm going to edit that to be 1. And 1. Okay.
All right, we got
Let's
about 30
go.
seconds left.
Stop at break even. Let's see if we can get this breakout.
Edgar Leon, congrats to the winner. Yeah, congrats to the winner. All right, we have 22 users. I'm going to call it. Y'all ready? Let's see who gets it. Remember, you can get any size Apex account you want. You don't have to pay for it. And I would save it for when the sale is over. Right now, you can get cheap Apex accounts. All right, we're closing entries. And we're going to pick a winner. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Ken. Ken is still in the house. Congratulations, Ken. I need to see your email in your account here. Try to find you here.
Wow, that was a good push.
That was a good push. I wish I was on the opposite side of it. FOMO is real. Where you at, Ken? Are you here?
I'm trying to lock in what 1R would have been. But I don't want to trade the P&L either.
If Ken's not here, we will give it away to someone
Man,
else.
this
So
could really just freaking go. Oh yeah,
I'm gonna give you
the
60
number
60
here right
seconds,
below that
man.
600.
Setting a timer.
All right, well, not back testing. 1
minute.
Caught a winning trade though. That's better. Only one thing better than back
Jack
testing.
boom, Ken's gone. I'm gonna give him 48. He's got 45 seconds to chat. I gotta give him a little bit of time here.
This looks really bullish. This looks really bullish. Someone was taking some
15
someone
seconds,
was
Ken.
covering on ES.
Are you here?
But NQ has just been buys here.
Ken's not NGMI. Ken's gone to give Barbie a lift home. All right, next guy. Next person. Let's see. Pick a winner. Frank DeVries. Congratulations, Frank. I know you're here. Frank, put your email in your about on your page. Where you at, dude?
Well, we're holding a lot.
There you are.
A runner.
I guess Ken's taking Barbie home, huh? Let's see.
Who won the giveaway?
Well, Ken won, but someone said Ken is, let's see. Ken said double it to give to the next person. And then, let's see, what was the other one?
Come on, Ken. Take your gift.
He's gone. Ken took Barbie. Ken's gone to give Barbie a lift home. All right, Frank. Good job, man. Congratulations. Hopefully we'll get another one in tomorrow. Put your email address on your About section on YouTube here so I can send you an email with the...
Yeah, this was a really good trade.
Code.
Look at this. We were at Monday's mid,
Luna had a banger trade.
above VWAP, bullish price action, huge
I was
gap
short.
up,
He was long.
winding up. So by using my divergence, I got a good entry in this type of consolidation. You know, having to get that pullback to have a clean div. And here we go, guys. We're hitting that full TP right now. So, I mean, man, I really could have held that. I really could have held that. I'm going to lock it in. We're locking it in, guys. Either it breaks up here. I'm just going to lock it in. A win is a win. I don't need to be greedy for the extra 50 points or whatever. That's just what I wanted. That was the move I wanted to this high, to these highs. And I kind of paper handed it. Like, that was my original target. And I'm like, oh, we have value area high right here. I should just target that.
Good night,
And
Agnew.
I covered
Or
here,
Edgar
which was nice
Leon.
because it did pull back. So it
Frank
felt good
DeVries
to
trying to
the
get
right.
to the About
And
page.
this
Not
just
good
blew
with this
parabolic
yet.
after that.
No worries, man. It's still going to be here.
Because of how tight my stop loss is, it's like I also could have
Congratulations,
just gone ahead and
Frank.
taken it for the max points there. But
Giveaway is
the
over
likelihood
and my
of
wife is
filling
ready
is
for
high.
me to come to bed.
there we go, guys. Boom. That trade is done.
Time is at 9:30.
Beautiful,
Wow,
beautiful
look at
trade.
that.
If I
Push
held
to
it
the
to here, that
upside.
would be almost
Oh
2R.
my.
Definitely could have easily, could have just said 2R on this and would
I
have
did not expect that at
doubled
all.
up my risk. So
Man.
one.
We're at all-time highs
I
on
didn't even
Nasdaq,
get my
so
1R, even though it
I'm
really
scared
moved.
to take a long position.
That so it
Super
would have been
scared.
more profitable just to take it all off at 1R, which is ironic.
Let me know when you got it done, Frank, buddy.
Ironic because I'm doing extra work. Well, shoot, guys. Now I'm tired to back test, so that's a win.
There was a lot of
I guess we have to start a new week.
Yeah. Quite a bit. My wife says she's gonna
It's gonna be
get on with
27.
me sometime. She's gonna start trading.
Through like the 4th or something.
She said, I've been thinking about doing it.
And we're starting off the week
But
hot with 1 win.
Y'all need to
and
convince her
0
to do
losses.
it.
That is what's
Can I
up.
send you an email via Discord?
And I'm gonna add to
Yeah.
this. And
Send me a
the losers
just send me a
will go
message
right
on
here.
Discord. We'll kind of do
Hopefully we
some
don't
sort
have
of
any, though.
code here. Figure it out. Send me a number like 1 through 10,
So
and
win
then
rate, 46%.
when you send it to me on Discord,
That's why I
type it
gotta
in
be
here. I just want to
locking
make
it
sure I give it to you, not some random
I mean,
person.
whatever. Sorry, more than 1R. So I'm gonna use this opportunity to go to bed. I guess I could back test a few more. We'll go ahead and back test
17
a few more.
Shadow, congrats.
I'm
Yeah,
tired,
good
man.
team. Deity, congrats, Frank.
Very tired.
Guys, I think I'm just gonna go lay in bed and watch Luna for the rest of the night. Can't hear anything. I'm in class right now. Make sure y'all
Just
jump
switch
over
off.
there and check out his stream too, okay? Somewhere to go after you leave me. There's another link to his channel. Frank, have you sent me a message here? I can't see anything. A woman could be a good omen. I know if my girlfriend puts bait on the line, we get fish. The good thing about women is, man, I don't know, I feel like they have less risk tolerance, so
Well, I'm glad
she
I
would
found
be a
that
good
order up
trader.
there. Look, I had left that order on.
I feel like
And we're getting the
women in
breakout.
general are pretty
But
decent.
I don't want to chase or anything,
trader-
guys. I'm going to go to
traders.
bed instead.
Appreciate the chill.
Took a winning
You're welcome,
trade and
Plains.
that's done.
Thanks for hanging out, bro. Luna's pretty chill too, man. That's why I watch him. When I'm not streaming, I'm watching Luna and one other guy.
Yeah, I guess I'm not going to
Wes.
worry about this back test.
Sent it on
anymore.
chat. I don't see it, my
Yeah,
friend.
I'm just going to end it on that, guys. End it on a good note.
What's your name on Discord, brother? NQ to 24K all-time high coming rocket. Yeah, I know it's booming to the upside, ain't it? Let's see.
So, killer trade. It's still going.
Yeah, man, I don't see a message from you here.
If I'd followed the plan, guys, 1R, 2R,
Basher
would have been
5.
golden. And then even holding a runner still looks good up here. Maybe I was just targeting.
Have
up
we
to
talked before?
595, right below 600.
Let
So
me
that's
just go
gonna
into
be
my
it.
Discord one second.
I hope everyone has a really good night. Good luck with your trades if you're going to stay in anything.
Basher 5
Okay.
found you.
I see some people crushing it here.
Hey, Frank, I just sent you a number. Type that in the chat. Let me make sure that's you, not someone trying to be you. Actually, yeah, it's you because, never mind, just forget it. I'm just going to send you the code. One moment.
I'm looking at some trades in the Discord. Yeah, guys, I want to get off. Time for bed. Take it easy, everyone. Thanks for watching.
Well, where is the code?
I think that's it. I think that's all I have to say.
There we are.
I'm going to put the total in 157 or whatever.
All right, there it is, sent to you.
Make
Make
sure.
sure
oh, yeah. That's what I need to do before I get off.
you
I'm
let
gonna
me know
journal
it
this,
worked, please.
And then I'm done.
so I can let Apex know if it didn't.
So
Awesome.
I'm just gonna add the second
Luna's
screenshot.
killing it over here, guys. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and like his stream also.
In the notes, I'm gonna say, managing it because I managed it was minus EV. Normally I track that in its own table, but I'm not anymore. I'm just trying to make my best decision based on the tape and based on everything. Really,
you're
I'm
here.
bullish, but it's so late right now that I need to be getting ready for bed anyways, and it was a good win, so I just wanted to cover.
I'm sorry,
but
man.
I could have actually gotten slightly higher P&L just by cutting it at 1R, even though I was covering up here above 2R. So it goes to show, I was covering some lots up here, but it didn't matter. 1R.
Actually, I feel bad, so let me just.
If I just done a full cover at 1R.
My
original plan was 5 lots.
Okay,
here
that is you.
3 runners.
Ken, do you have your? I'm gonna go ahead and give you one too, Ken.
That would have given me more than 1R in my original plan.
I have a heart. I can't just.
Try to let these hold out. In the moment, I took this off here. It
too bad you weren't here, but it's all right.
Seeing this red
I forgive you this time.
The whole trade idea was playing out.
Is your email address on your?
The tape is now turning a little
page.
more bearish. You can see the red on the NQ tape there, but that's normal. Get a little rejection. We'll see what happens, but. I'm not gonna.
If you can you go to your about page and make sure your email address is here? There's a way to add your email, and I'll send you an email with the code, or you can join my Discord, which is the links in the description. Frank DeVries got the code. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Make sure it works, or you can save it. It's up to you. If it doesn't work, just hit me up later, okay? And I'll reach out to Apex. Well, congratulations, Ken. Congratulations, Frank. Man, this makes me want to short. Luna, are you getting off the stream, man? I just sent everyone your way. Luna, are you getting off the stream, man? I just sent everyone your way. Good night, Luna. No problem, Ken. I'll give it a shot on Apex. We'll follow up later. How long do I have to claim it on Apex? You got all the time in the world. I think they're good until October, November, maybe. I'm not sure. So if I would use it within 30 days at least. I'm not really sure. Roy Evans, he's gone to bed. Yeah, I see that. This pullback makes me want to short, man. Golly. Too bad I got to get to bed. And good thing we're not red on the day, right? We're up $23 on each account. Cool, I'll wait until after the sale. Yeah, you can buy a couple, but make sure you use my code on the sale. JSDT. And Ken just joined. All right, I'm sending you a message, Ken. If you're still here, type in this number in the chat to make sure, so I can make sure it's you. Anybody could have joined and said it was Ken, right? No, type it in the YouTube chat, brother. All right, we're good. All right, I'm gonna send it to you now, man. One moment. If you use it now, let me know it works. And if it doesn't work, if you don't use it now, use it later. Hit me up, let me know, and I'll make sure Apex fixes it. Everybody thought you took Barbie home, man. When did you realize you won, and how did you realize you won? Were you still on the stream, just not 100% here? Frank DeVries, yes, I promised you I would. No worries, man. It's all good. Luckily, I have a heart. I just can't not do it. We are all Ken. Wait, that's bourbon advertisement. Roy Evans is the class clown. I like that guy. Funny guy. Wouldn't be a good stream without him in the chat for sure. All right, guys. God bless you too, Ken. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. That means a lot. All right, guys. I sure appreciate you hanging out. It was a pleasure. Glad to do the giveaway. Finally, another giveaway. I love doing these giveaways. We ended up with 55 likes on the stream, about 20-something people in the giveaway. So, pretty awesome. This makes me want a short. Look at that. Anyway, hope you guys have a good night. I'm going to go hang out with my wife, and I was going to watch Luna, but I guess I'm going to have to find someone else to watch now. Peace. God bless. If this thing won't work, I can't